Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Friday, September the 13th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've showed you earlier, we have a spaceman here. One of the tourists, or civilian here, is a Spaceman, Isaac Man, and Gillis are the first one in space with, I believe, with the company of Elon Musk, yeah. Alright, Killer Sudoku number 9268. We have 2 given numbers, the 5 and the 6. In this triple box of 17, that means that these 3 boxes together should be a 6. Yeah, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. And there's one combination, only one combination for the triple box of 6. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. A 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 2 sharing boxes. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, let me continue. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1. Okay. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30. So 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Alright. How about this big square? If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 8 is 20. Plus 14 is 34. 34 plus 9 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box will be a 2. In the box of 6, the combination will be 2 plus 4. Now this one has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 16 plus 4 is 20. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 20 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. In this triple box of 19, these 2 boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 11 is 22. 22 plus 10 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. Yeah, 39 plus 6 is 45. This box should be a 6. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay, this big square, one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 plus 17 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 5, the combination will be 4 plus 1. Okay. Now, if I can't count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 13. Wait, 13 plus 17 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. So 45 minus 33 is a 2. Let me double check. 30, 42, 43. Yeah. That means in this triple box of 11, those two boxes together should be a 9. 9, 9 is 18, 26, 35, plus 10, 45. Correct. Alright. My next strategy now is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 17, only one combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. The box of 3, only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 11, 11, 10, 7. The box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. The box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. 7, 13, 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9, 30, 11, 11, 6, 12, 9, 8, 14. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. For example, the box of 6. There are two combinations for the box of 6. 5 plus 1 and 4 plus 2. The 4 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 4 and a 2 here. Should be 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. There are two combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. The 9 is already used in one of those two boxes in this column. So I cannot place the 9 and the 5 here. Should be the numbers 8 and the 6. Okay. Then 6, 6 and 3, 6 and 8. Okay. Let me think. 6 here, 6 here. Well. 13, 11, 11, 12, 13, 17. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3. That means two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. Either 4 here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 9 goes in the box of 12, combination 9 and 3, 9 and 3. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. Here also a 9 in one of those two boxes. That means in this row, the 9 should be here then. And the 7 goes there. Okay, cannot place the 9 there, because we have a pair of 9s. Okay, 6, 6. 4, 5. One of them. 5 and the 1. Okay. There are two combinations for the box of 6. 2 and 4 and 1 and 5. Well, the 2 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 2 and the 4 here. We have also a 4 in this big square, so should be the 1 and the 5. Okay. Now, 9 and 3. One of the missing number in this column is number 3. Well, cannot place the 3 here because we already have used the 3 in one of those two boxes in the box of 12 in this big square. So no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 goes in one of those two boxes. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. The other pair in this third column are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. So the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and a 3. Okay. 9 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1 and the 3, okay. Well, 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. 8 should be 8 and a 5. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. No, number 2. I cannot place the 2 in a box of 10. Then the combination will be 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8, well, the 8 is already used in a box of 17. So can I place the 2 in a box of 10? Should be in a box of 8. Combination 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes in there. Then need a 5. Need a 2. 2 and 7. Yeah. 4, 5 and a 3. Let me think. Need a 6 and a 7, 6 and a 5. 7 in this row, last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left, 7 should be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 7 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So the 7 should be here, definitely. The combination 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Plus 8 is equal to 19. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 8. Correction, another 4. Double 4 is not allowed, so the 4 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. In this big square should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 plus 6 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Alright, and now 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes in the box of 9. Combination 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. In the box of 10, the combination here will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 8 and a 6, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 3 plus 9. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. Then 9, 2. Come on. 2 and 1. Let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes in the box of 12. Combination 8 and 4, 8 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now 2 combinations for the box of 14. 8 plus 6 and 9 plus 5. Well, the 8 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 and the 6 there. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. Another pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 3 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 and 5. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. We have an 8 in this column, no 8. Last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final, and the last 2 numbers in this big square. Other numbers, the 1 is missing, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in this column, middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And then 5. 9 and a 5. We have 5 in this column, middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 9 goes in the box of 11. Combination 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 goes in the box of 11. Combination 8 and 3, 8 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 3, we have 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Double check. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, we solve again. Not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday.